First, I have a piece of ginger. It doesn't need to be too big. I'll use a knife to peel off its outer skin. Adding ginger when boiling chicken has several important benefits. 1. Removes unpleasant odor. Ginger contains essential oils and compounds with strong deodorizing properties, helping to reduce the characteristic smell of chicken. 2. Adds a natural aroma. Ginger gives the broth and chicken a mild, pleasant fragrance, making the dish more appetizing. 3. Aids digestion. Ginger has warming properties that help stimulate digestion and reduce the feeling of a cold stomach after eating chicken. 4. Reduces greasiness. Ginger balances the richness of chicken, making the dish feel less heavy. I add the crushed ginger into a pot I prepared earlier. And here it is, our main ingredient, a fresh and delicious chicken. You can easily find it at supermarkets or local markets, but make sure it's clean and safe to use. Next, I pour in just enough water to cover about half of the chicken. I've prepared some fresh seasonings for myself: green onions, cilantro, lime, and chili. In chicken pho, green onions add fragrance, cilantro brings freshness, lime gives a bright tang, and chili adds a gentle heat. Together, they balance the broth and make every bite more flavorful and satisfying. Chop the green onions into small pieces, about half a centimeter in length. Cut the lemon into 4 equal wedges. The lemon adds a bright, refreshing touch, balancing the sweetness and sourness of the dish. Slice the chili into small pieces to bring out its spicy aroma, adding more depth and bold flavor to the dish. So, we've pretty much got all the seasonings ready for today's dish. What do you think about these ingredients? Drop a comment below and let me know. Now it's time to check on our chicken. If it's perfectly cooked, we'll lift it out gently and place it in a basket, letting the excess water drain away while the chicken cools down, ready for the next step. Let the chicken cool for about 10 minutes. The next step is to use a sharp, sturdy pair of kitchen scissors to separate the meat from the bones. Chicken is one of the most popular and versatile ingredients, not only easy to cook, but also packed with health benefits. It's rich in protein, which helps build and repair muscles. Perfect for anyone who works out or simply needs an energy boost. Compared to many red meats, chicken is lower in fat, making it heart-friendly and supportive of healthy weight management. It's also loaded with B vitamins like B6 and B12, which boost metabolism and keep your nervous system running smoothly. On top of that, minerals such as zinc, iron, and phosphorus strengthen your immune system, bones, and teeth. With its delicious flavor and high nutritional value, chicken truly is a wholesome choice for all ages. I've been so caught up sharing this dish with you that I almost forgot to ask, where are you from? Have you ever tried this dish before? And what impression did it leave on you? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't be shy. Drop a comment below. After separating the chicken bones, don't throw them away because they can be used to make a wonderfully rich chicken soup. But since our video time is limited today, I'll save that for another video coming very soon, where I'll show you exactly how to make it. The chicken, after being separated and shredded, will look just like this. Doesn't it look absolutely delicious? The next step is to add 200 grams pho into a large bowl. And if you'd like a bigger portion, feel free to go up to 250 or even 300 grams. It's all up to your appetite. Place the shredded chicken right on top of the pho. Next, add about 50 grams of bean sprouts, spreading them over the chicken. Similarly, add 50 grams of green onions and coriander to the bowl. As for the chili, that really depends on your taste if you enjoy spicy food. Personally, I'll add about 5 grams of chili to give it that nice, fiery kick. And just like that, we're 99% done with the preparation. Are you feeling hungry yet? Go ahead and try making this at home so your loved ones can enjoy it with you. Here it is, the final step. Gently pour the hot broth into the bowl of pho. Remember, the broth should be kept simmering so it stays nice and hot. That way, it will lightly cook the green onions, cilantro, and bean sprouts to perfection. You can also squeeze in a wedge of the lemon we cut earlier and add a few pieces of fried dough sticks for that extra flavor and crunch. Thank you for watching until the end. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.